So this is a spiral fold book. I made the spiral, the whole thing's made out of offcuts from Nicola's printmaking, of which she's given me a whole stack. The spiral itself is made on the Cricut Maker, which makes life so much easier and makes my wrists so much happier. The spiral is very pleasing, does the whole thing. Just see if I can get it to fold under. I can't, I've mucked it up. But this is the spiral fold. Hang on. Here it is. Here it is unfolding. I think it would be even more interesting if both sides were coloured. That could be my next thing. Who knows? Anyway, the spiral fold.